CompTIA Network Plus Certification Exam. Question 1. Which device is used to interconnect networks at layer 3 of the OSI model? Option A, switch. Option B, bridge. Option C, router. Option D, repeater. The correct answer is option C, router. Routers operate at layer 3 and forward packets between networks based on IP addressing. Switches primarily forward layer 2 frames using MAC addresses. Question 2. What is the primary function of a router? Option A, assign IP addresses. Option B, filter network traffic. Option C, connect devices within a LAN, local area network. Option D, forward packets between networks. The correct answer is option D, forward packets between networks. A router forwards packets between different networks using routing tables and layer 3 addressing. Switches primarily connect devices within the same LAN segment. Question 3. Which layer of the OSI model handles IP addressing? Option A, layer 4. Option B, layer 2. Option C, layer 3. Option D, layer 1. The correct answer is option C, layer 3. Layer 3 is the most appropriate choice because it directly matches the networking requirement described in the question. The other options address different protocols, devices, layers, or operational goals and would not best satisfy the scenario. Question 4. What is the default subnet mask for a Class C IP address? Option A, 255.255.255.255. Option B, 255.255.255.0. Option C, 255.255.0.0. Option D, 255.0.0.0. The correct answer is option B, 255.255.255.0. The default Class C subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. That mask provides 24 network bits and 8 host bits in traditional classful IPv4 addressing. Question 5. A small office can't access the internet after a storm. What should you check first? Option A, physical cable connections. Option B, router configuration. Option C, DNS server. Option D, firewall settings. The correct answer is option A, physical cable connections. Physical cable and power connections should be checked first after a storm or outage. Troubleshooting should begin with simple physical layer causes before changing configurations. Question 6. Which protocol encrypts web traffic? Option A, HTTP. Option B, SMTP. Option C, HTTPS. Option D, FTP. The correct answer is option C, HTTPS. HTTPS uses TCP port 443 and protects web traffic with TLS encryption. Port 80 is used for unencrypted HTTP, while ports 23 and 110 are associated with Telnet and POP3. Question 7. What is the maximum speed of Cat5e cable? Option A, 100 megabits per second. Option B, 40 gigabits per second. Option C, 1 gigabit per second. Option D, 10 gigabits per second. The correct answer is option C, 1 gigabit per second. Cat5e cabling supports up to 1 gigabit per second under standard Ethernet distance limits. It improved cross-stock performance compared with older Cat5 cable. Question 8. Which device operates at OSI layer 2? Option A, gateway. Option B, router. Option C, switch. Option D, firewall. The correct answer is option C, switch. Switch is the most appropriate choice because it directly matches the networking requirement described in the question. The other options address different protocols, devices, layers, or operational goals and would not best satisfy the scenario. Question 9. What does DHCP stand for? Option A, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. Option B, Data Handling Configuration Process. Option C, Direct Host Communication Protocol. Option D, Domain Host Control Protocol. The correct answer is option A, Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol. DHCP automatically provides clients with IP configurations such as address, subnet mask, gateway, and DNS servers. Using DHCP reduces manual configuration effort and lowers the risk of duplicate or incorrect addressing. Question 10. A user reports slow internet. You discover the IP is 169.254.1.10. What is the issue? Option A, DHCP server unavailable. Option B, firewall blocking traffic. Option C, DNS failure. Option D, router misconfiguration. The correct answer is option A, DHCP server unavailable. An address in the 169.254.0.0/16 range is an APIPA address assigned when DHCP fails. The workstation likely could not reach a DHCP server to obtain a valid network configuration. Question 11. Which wireless standard supports speeds up to 9.6 Gbps? Option A, 802.11ax. Option B, 802.11ac. Option C, 802.11n. Option D, 802.11g. The correct answer is option A, 802.11ax. 802.11ax, also known as Wi-Fi 6, supports theoretical speeds up to 9.6 Gbps. It also improves efficiency in dense wireless environments compared with earlier standards. Question 12. What port does SSH use? Option A, 21. Option B, 80. Option C, 22. Option D, 23. The correct answer is option C, 22. SSH uses TCP port 22 for encrypted remote administration. It protects credentials and session data, unlike Telnet which commonly uses port 23 and sends traffic in clear text. Question 13. Which cable type is immune to ME? Option A, fiber optic. Option B, UTP. Option C, STP. Option D, coaxial. The correct answer is option A, fiber optic. Fiber optic cable supports high speeds over longer distances and is immune to electromagnetic interference. This makes it ideal for backbone, data center, and long-distance links. Question 14. What is the purpose of NAT? Option A, filter packets. Option B, encrypt network traffic. Option C, translate private IPs to public IPs. Option D, assign MAC addresses. The correct answer is option C, translate private IPs to public IPs. NAT translates private internal IP addresses to public addresses for external communication. This hides internal addressing from outside networks and helps conserve public IPv4 address space. Question 15. A company's VoIP phones drop calls frequently. What might be the cause? Option A, DNS misconfiguration. Option B, insufficient bandwidth. Option C, faulty NIC. Option D, incorrect subnet mask. The correct answer is option B. Insufficient bandwidth. VoIP calls are sensitive to insufficient bandwidth, latency, jitter, and packet loss. If bandwidth is constrained, calls may drop or degrade even when basic network connectivity remains available. Question 16. Which protocol resolves domain names to IP addresses? Option A DNS. Option B DHCP. Option C ARP. Option D SNMP. The correct answer is option A. DNS. DNS resolves human-readable names to IP addresses so users can reach services by host name. DHCP assigns addressing information, while ARP maps IP addresses to MAC addresses on a local network. Question 17. What is the maximum distance of Cat6 cable at 10 Gbps? Option A 300 m. Option B 150 m. Option C 55 m. Option D 100 m. The correct answer is option C. 55 m. Cat6 supports 10 Gbps Ethernet only over shorter distances, commonly up to about 55 meters depending on conditions. Cat6 is used when 10 Gbps support is required across the full 100-meter copper channel. Question 18. Which device connects different network types? Option A switch. Option B gateway. Option C router. Option D bridge. The correct answer is option B. Gateway. A gateway connects to similar networks or translates between different protocols and environments. It is used when simple layer 2 or layer 3 forwarding is not enough. Question 19. What does VLAN stand for? Option A Virtual Local Area Network. Option B Virtual Link Aggregation Network. Option C Variable Link Access Node. Option D Voice LAN. The correct answer is option A. Virtual Local Area Network. VLAN stands for Virtual Local Area Network. It represents a logical network segment created on switching infrastructure. Question 20. A server is unreachable by its host name but works with its IP. What's the likely issue? Option A Incorrect gateway. Option B DNS resolution failure. Option C Firewall blocking ICMP. Option D DHCP failure. The correct answer is option B. DNS resolution failure. If a server works by IP address but not by host name, DNS resolution is the likely issue. The network path is functioning, so name resolution should be investigated before routing or firewall settings.